How to fix 5 surveys technical error problem. This issue has been reported by numerous users, especially when attempting to cash out rewards after reaching the $5 threshold. Here are some troubleshooting steps. Clear cache and cookies. Accumulated browser data can cause glitches. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser before accessing 5 surveys again. Update or reinstall the app. Ensure you're using the latest version of the 5 Surveys app. If issues persist, uninstall and reinstall the app to eliminate any corrupted files. Check internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue resolves. Disable VPNs. Using a VPN can sometimes interfere with the app's functionality. Disable any active VPNs and try accessing the app again. And last, try a different device or browser. If possible, access 5 surveys from a different device or use a different browser to determine if the issue is device specific. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.